What's up, guys? This is Jerry Watts, and welcome to the first episode of Project Procrastination. So I guess this is YouTube. I've been procrastinating this for a long time. YouTube is something that I've been wanting to do, and I've got kids, a wife, just a lot of things going on. So, you want to do it, you gotta make it happen. And I guess this is the first step. Guys, I've got so many projects around my house that need to be done, and I've been putting them off and putting them off and putting them off. But I'm not going to put them off anymore. The first thing I want to do is take this upstairs bedroom and turn it into a studio. Now there's a pretty good bit of changes that I've got to make, like sound panels. I got to do something with this back wall. With high ceilings and hardwood floor, it's a nightmare for sound. So for our first project, I want to get some wood planks on this back wall to kind of accent the wall a little bit. So without procrastinating anymore, let's get started. I'm coming at you from my front yard. Got my table saw, you can see it right there behind me. Got pallets, I've been taking them apart, and that's not an easy job. You can see them right here. I got them all spread out in the yard. See how many I got. I'm going to put them on the wall and make it look pretty, and you'll see what the finish will look like. Alright guys, as you can see, I've taken my planks from, I've disassembled them from the pallet itself. Not an easy job, by the way. And I've made a straight edge on one side of it, and I've sanded it down on the top with some 80 grit sandpaper with a little sander, a little palm sander. And now what I'm going to do is stain it. I've got my my dark walnut stain by Wax, and I'm going to stain this and maybe lightly sand it again with 180 or 220 grit, and maybe put a little bit of a clear coat on it and get it on the wall. Alright, we've got our wood planks sanded, we've got them stained, and it's time to get them on the wall. And I'm going to be honest with you, I've never done this before, so it's going to be a learning experience together. So let's get started. Now before we do this, there is an option where you can paint the wall a darker color so that your wood slats, so no color will show through the wood slats if they don't match up perfectly. But I'm going to try to do it without doing that, and I may regret it. I may have to take it down and go back and redo it, but I'm going to give it a try without it. And the first thing we need to do is find out where our studs are. I've got this stud finder, and I've got a wall outlet, so I know that there's a stud somewhere close by on the right side or the left side. So let's check it out and see where it's at. Okay, we found the stud. From this point, we want to mark 18 inches on each side of this stud so that we'll know that that's where to nail our boards. Alright, two things I've learned so far. When you do this, when you're staining, stain the ends of the woods in case it doesn't exactly match up, then it's not that big of a deal. Now I've got to go back and stain the edges where some of them are not completely level with each other. And make sure that at least the run of the board. Like I got 3 boards that go across. Make sure each one of those are the same width exactly. It makes it a lot easier, or you'll have crooked edges and stuff. So that's 2 things I've learned so far. So just gonna pass that information on to you. All right, guys, we got our wall up today. It's just a stage wall, so I mean, it's just for me to have a backdrop to, so I didn't go up any higher than that because you won't be able to tell. And I got a couple of boards at the bottom to finish, but hey, I'm ready to go. So I can use that as a backdrop now. I may put something on that back wall, not sure. Maybe you guys have some suggestions, but got my lights up, got my microphone ready, got my camera ready. I got some PVC pipe. I'm about to make a barrier. I mean, not a barrier, but well, I guess it is a barrier, sound barrier, out of PVC pipe and these curtains, these polyester curtains. Because polyester is a great sound barrier. So I'm gonna make 2 or 3 to go around this little set right here to kind of trap the sound and keep it from echoing. And you can see I went and got me a carpet today. Got me a big rug. It's a piece of remnant carpet, about $90 I think it was. Anywhere, I think $89, $90, somewhere around in that area. So if I would have went and got the wood, the flooring, and put it up there, it would have cost me $150 to $200 to do that wall right there. It cost me $13 to do that wall. Well, and I got a quart of stain, so $13 plus a quart of stain, so not bad at all. So about to get started on these sound barriers, and I'll let you guys watch. Well, all right, guys, here we are at the end of this project. Got the boards on the wall. I got my sound barrier curtains all made up and put up. I got my carpet down. The only thing I like left is I've got two sound panels that I'm going to put right here on this side of me to kind of keep the sound from bouncing off this wall over here. Other than that, I think we got it together. I think it looks pretty decent, not too bad for somebody who does not know anything about carpentry. So that shows that you can also do it. So come on, guys, don't procrastinate anymore. Let's do these projects. Alright, guys, I appreciate y'all tuning in. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Peace. So come on, guys. Don't procrastinate. So come on, guys. Don't procrastinate with the first episode of Project. What's up, guys? This is Jerry Watts. What's up, guys? This is Jerry Watts, and welcome to the first episode of Project Procrastination. What's up, guys? This is Jerry Watts, and welcome to the first episode of Project Procrastination, where I've taken